Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to sync contacts in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to sync contacts in Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart, and at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here again on this interface, which is your profile interface. At the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icon available for us. Tap on the three lined icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will open where you can see the settings button at the below side of the screen, just above the logout button. Tap on settings, and over here you can see the button where it says contacts synced over here. Tap on the contacts synced button over here, and then proceed with the following procedure where it says sync contacts. Tap on it and tap on the OK button guys, and follow through the procedure over here. And when this button appears, tap on OK, and with that being done guys, tap on the allow button over here, and you will start to sync contacts in Picsart. And with that being said guys, this is how to sync contacts in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.